Hello everyone, welcome to Enlighten Study Point. The Class 9 Social Science Geography-part Chapter 2 Atmosphere, Structure, Air Pressure and Wind System. Hey chapter question number 25 আৰু 26 লৈ আনিছোঁ। তো ভিডিঅ'টো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰাৰ আগতে মই সকলোকে ক'ব বিচাৰিছোঁ যে মোৰ চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব। তো question number 25, write the difference A. Horizontal wind and vertical wind. Horizontal wind and vertical winds. Wind that move parallel to the earth's surface is called horizontal wind. Vertical wind, the wind that move vertically upward from the surface of the earth is called vertical wind. B. Wind and air mass. Wind, the moving air is known as wind. Air mass, a huge body of the air which has similar type of temperature and humidity, is called air mass. C. Tropical cyclone and extratropical cyclone. Tropical cyclone, when wind with high velocity from high pressure region take a cyclic path of around a low pressure center in the tropical region is called tropical cyclone. The diameter of this type of cyclone can be a few kilometer to several hundred kilometer. Extratropical cyclone, the cyclone from in the tropical and high latitude region is called temperate cyclone or extratropical cyclone. The diameter varies from 300 km and 1500 km. D. Sea breeze and land breeze. Land breeze. The land breeze is the breeze in which wind blow from the land to sea. It occurs at the night time or early morning. It occurs in the winter and autumn season. Sea breeze. The sea breeze is the breeze in which wind blow from the sea to land. It occurs at the daytime. It occurs in the summer and spring season. E. Mountain wind and valley wind. Mountain wind, the wind that blow from the mountain towards the valley during the night time is called mountain wind. The wind is cold and heavy. Valley wind, the wind that blow from river valley or plain in a upward movement along the mountain slope during the daytime is known as valley wind. F. Cyclone and anticyclone. Cyclone are defined as the air that move in a rotating manner around the center of low pressure on a large scale. It is a type of tropical storm with wind. The atmospheric pressure is higher in the area near the low pressure center of the cyclone and the wind velocity also become very high. Anticyclone, after the formation of a high pressure belt covering a wide area, a divergent wind from the center of the pressure belt take a cyclic path. The name was given by the meteorologist Sir Francis Galton in 1861. This cyclic path is known as anticyclone. The atmospheric pressure becomes the highest at the center of the anticyclone. It is also known as high pressure center. G. Cold front and warm front. Cold front, the front in which a cold air mass shifts a warm air mass is called cold front. Warm front, the front in which the warm air mass move over the cold air mass and shift its position is called warm front. H. Cold wave and hot wave. Cold wave, the high altitude cold anticyclone result in the movement of extremely cold wind, particularly during winter in the area like northeast Canada and northeast Europe. This extremely cold wind, which are caused by anticyclone, is called cold wave. Hot wave, the wind generated from the high pressure center of subtropical anticyclone remain stable and move in a very sluggish manner. When anticyclone of subtropical area reach the USA in summer, they are warm in nature and bring good amount of rainfall. This wind is known as hot wave. I. Troposphere and stratosphere. The troposphere is the atmosphere lowest level. Troposphere is the zone of convection current. The temperature drop with height. The stratosphere is a second layer of earth that exists above the troposphere. Stratosphere is the convection zone of atmosphere. The temperature rise with height. Question number 26. Find out the correct answer. A দিয়া আছে, where is ozone layer located? The option দিয়া আছে troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere. The answer হ'ব stratosphere. What is amount of oxygen in the atmosphere in terms of volume? 1 দিয়া আছে 20.94, B দিয়া আছে 29.101, C দিয়া আছে 32.47 আৰু D দিয়া আছে 78.08%. তো ইয়াৰ আনসাৰ হ'ব অপশ্যন এ 21.94%. C. The most important reason for air movement is A. Humidity difference, B. Pressure difference, C. Gravitational difference, D. Centrifugal difference. তো ইয়াৰ আনসাৰ হ'ব B. Pressure difference. D দিয়া আছে the instrument used for determining of wind velocity is option 1 দিয়া আছে wind vane, B. anemometer, C. Beaufort scale, D দিয়া আছে hydrometer. তো ইয়াৰ আনসাৰ হ'ব অপশ্যন বি anemometer. Next question. The unit of wind velocity is 1 দিয়া আছে knot, B. millibar, C. percentage, D. degree. ইয়াৰ আনসাৰ হ'ব knot. F. Monsoon wind belongs to which of the following class? Local wind, primary circulation, secondary circulation, নে permanent wind? ইয়াৰ আনসাৰ হ'ব secondary circulation. G. The name of the cyclone formed in the coastal region of the Pacific Ocean in the east is cyclone, hurricane, willy willy, নে typhoon? তো ইয়াৰ আনসাৰ হ'ব অপশ্যন ডি typhoon. ধন্যবাদ.